Welcome back to WordPress 101. In the previous video, I showed you how to upload an image and then use that image as a link. But in this video, we'll talk about how to create text links and also how to make buttons. No matter how compelling your content may be, your site will be a dead end if you never link to other content that might be useful to your readers. Now, I'd like to create a link to the Wikipedia page for the Acme Corporation, who I referenced in my article. So first, I'll copy the URL for this site, and then switch back to the editor. Next, I'll highlight the words that I want to convert into a text link. And once the text is highlighted, I'll click the Insert Link button to open the inline link editor. Now I'll simply paste the URL that we copied earlier into this field. If you like, you can choose to open the link in a new window or tab within the visitor's web browser, but this is generally not a good idea for accessibility. Next, click the Apply button or simply press Enter to add the new link. And now this anchor text has been converted into a link. The link pop-up shows the URL where this link is currently directed, and you can easily edit the link anytime. Or, if you change your mind, you can remove the link by clicking the Unlink button in the toolbar above. All right, now you know how to create a text link. But you can also easily create buttons. First, I'll select the Add Block button in the top left-hand corner. Search for the button block, and then select it to add a new button at the end of our page. Next, simply type whatever text you want to use on the button. Then, select the Link button and paste a URL, like we did earlier, to link to any other website. Or you can link to a page or post on your own website. For example, I want this button to link to the About page on our site. So I'll just begin typing the title, and WordPress will display a list of all the pages or posts on our site that contain the search term. Then, just select the title of the post or page you wish to link to. And now, when our visitors click this button, they'll be taken to our About page. In the Formatting toolbar, we can choose a different style for this button. Our current theme provides two different styles, one with a solid fill and the other an outline. I'll choose the outline style. Right now, all of the options on the Formatting toolbar apply to the text of the button itself. But if we hover over the button on the far left of the Formatting toolbar, we can also select the parent block, which contains our new button. This allows us to change the alignment of the button to the left, center, or right of the page. And with the parent block selected, we can also add another button next to this one. And under More Options, on the right-hand side, we can view the button block settings, where we can again change the button style or select the default style for other buttons we create on our site. And of course, you can also change the text color and the background color for your button, or even choose a gradient if you like. You can customize the angle or choose between linear and radial fills. And finally, you can select a border radius if you prefer buttons with rounded corners. All right, now you know how to create links and buttons, which you can use to link to other websites, pages or posts on your own site, or create any call to action you like. In the next video, I'll show you how to upload a PDF file and then create a button so your visitors can download it to their own computer.